Hello guys and welcome once again to a new video. As you know already on this channel I try to find solutions for common problems and for some which are more complex share with you the knowledge that I got in the process of research for these problems. Today I want to share with you something that I stumbled upon while working on my Hyundai car. I have a Hyundai Tucson 2018 model, and I had a problem with the coupling assy. As you can see here on the right side, this is the coupling assy, part of the rear differential. Actually, the problem for my machine, my car, was this electric motor or pump, which makes the pressure and applies or activates the clutch inside the coupling assy. Um, I got the error code P1820. Yeah, for which there is already a service bulletin how to change. So this is the DTC error P1820. Pump four-wheel drive motor high over current detected, and well, I didn't apply the procedure exactly. As you can see here, the procedure says clearly that you should remove the coupling completely, then put it in the right upright position, yeah, and remove then the pump from it. This way you will not lose any oil. So I didn't do this. I removed completely the pump, and a lot of oil out of or fluid out of the coupling assy was dropped, and this created a really big problem for me because there's nowhere stated which oil you have to put here. Yeah, even in the owner's manual, yeah, where which I have it here, there is stated, yeah, brake fluid, oil, whatever, yeah, but there is the differential oil, yeah, and the transfer case oil, which is 75W90, and this is not the case for the coupling assy. Yeah, the coupling assy is it's like a clutch. It uses an oil-based uh, um, yeah, hydraulic fluid. Let's call it like this. Yeah. So I needed to make a lot of research. Here is yeah a picture of the coupling assy in section, which you can see if you remove this pump over here, the oil will drop through here. Of course, you have here an intake for the new oil, but there's nowhere stated which oil to use. Yeah, so I called the dealership and together with them, yeah, started a discussion and some investigation based on the components, which is the exact oil. And today I want to share with you uh, how to change this oil and which oil to use. One additional point here is that the actual procedure, if you drop oil, so coming back here to the service bulletin, yeah, states here clearly, somewhere, just one second to go down, that in case you drop more than 30 milliliters of oil, you have to change the entire assy. As this is insane. So if you drop a little bit of oil, yeah, you have to change this assy completely, which yeah, it's crazy expensive. So as you can see here, yeah, it's about 102 $1,200. Yeah, it's insane. Yeah, only for the oil. So after research, um, I found out that the oil for the coupling Assy, it's actual a Shell TF0870, and it's yeah, half a liter or 485 milliliters of oil inside. And here I'm located in Romania, and here I found two different types of brands of oil. One is from Ravenol, and it's the ATC um, transfer fluid DTF1, also used for BMW. As you can see here, it's stated also TF0870. So this is really, really good. You can use it, and 1 liter, it's really enough, and it's not that expensive, only 20 euros. Of course, there is an additional one from Fevi Bliestein, which is the TF1. Yeah, and here is the code 170367 that you can use. Also 1 liter. Half of this bottle can you can manage to fill in the entire coupling assay. Yeah, same pricing. And of course, there is the DTF1 original from BMW, but that one it's more expensive, and it's actually the same oil as the Ravenol one. So yeah, hope this answered the question which oil to use in the coupling assay for Hyundai four-wheel drive cars. This applies also for Tucson, applies for Santa Fe, applies for Kona, or any car from Kia or Hyundai brand. So also for Kia, here Sportage and different types of Kia that have four-wheel drive. Yeah, so if you are in the same situation as I am, yeah, you can buy cheaply this oil, and you can add it to the coupling assay, and it will run perfectly fine. Okay, so I hope this answered your question. If you have any question, please put them in the comment section below of this video. I'm glad to respond to them. So hope this helped you. If yes, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.